Hello dear students, welcome everybody. In this video, I am going to talk about designing advertisement for job. Here, designing different types of advertisement for different types of job, either teaching in the school or working in the factory or industry or serving in the bank or in the institution, how to design a good advertisement. Now in this video, I am going to talk about the method and procedures of designing advertisement for the job. Now let's start the method of designing advertisement for the job. Before starting this video, I like to request all don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. That always makes me to make such kind of beneficial video for every students. By saying this, let's get into the topic, that is designing advertisement for job. Especially it is important to write a good clear job advertisement so that you attract attention and get the maximum amount of people and the right people looking at it. Once you have got the right people looking at it, it needs to be clear and transparent so that the people who apply know what they are applying for. That way, you are more likely to get sort of applicant you want. There are various things to be considered while designing advertisement for the job. Especially job requirements needs a good advertisement. Demand for the employees among the organization is high and good advertisement will start you off in attracting teachers to work at your vacancy. Especially, there are various things to be considered while designing an advertisement for the job. The first one is get the applicant's attention. This is your first chance to engage the applicant and spark their interest. How your job is summarized in the vacancies listing is key. This is where the important details need to show. Example, location, salary, job title, term, permanent, temporary, FT, PT. Additionally, the opening line of your advertisement needs to be similarly in the next one, that is provide a short introduction. Here, keep this to around 40 words and talk about the job rather than the organization. Here, we should focus on the job. What sort of job is it? We should describe the description of the job. At this point, the reader is interested in the job and what it entails more than the organization itself. This introduction will help the reader quickly assess if the role is suitable for them. If so, they will carry on reading, consider and reflect in the advertisement why someone would want to work for the organization and trust. Next point to be considered while designing an advertisement, that is the detail the main role responsibility. Here summarize the main duties of the job description as appropriately, as succinctly as possible. The advertisement does not need to cover all the duties of the post holder, as the job description attached to the advertisement will detail there. So these are the things to be considered while designing an advertisement for the job. And the next point is detail the skills required. What skills, qualification or attributes are you looking for in your ideal applicant? What types of persons are you looking for? That is, be careful not to use words that could be considered discriminatory against certain groups. Example of age, gender, disability. Don't list everything on the person's specification. Essential qualifications and in the same way, another points to be considered while designing an advertisement, provide the applicant with instructions on how to apply. A contact for an informal discussion or instruction on how to arrange a visit to organization will also help to attract applicants because they will view you as an organization who is open, welcoming and approachable, good attributes in a potential employer. So that things to be considered there. And the next thing is here, that is closing date and interview date. So here, the closing date is important for obvious reason, but adding an interview date will also help an applicant to plan ahead. So these are the things to be considered while designing an advertisement. If we follow these steps, then we can make very elegant advertisement for the job. Now here I have made one sample of job designing job advertisement. Let's go here. Designing an advertisement for the post of lower secondary level English teacher, including the term of reference, vacancy announcement, or you can write wanted or job opportunity. You can select one, or reputed, well-known, famous. You can select one. Synonymously use these terms. A reputed, well-known, famous English medium school is seeking a dynamic, energetic, and well-qualified lower secondary level English teacher for the following post. Post is English teacher full-timer. Qualification B or B.Ed in English. Experience at least 3 years. Remuneration that is negotiable. Qualified and interested candidates are requested to send their application to the following address with a copy of their academic qualifications, CV, and recent passport size photograph not later than 15th May 2020. Contact Principal Gyan Niketan Basic Secondary School, Devda 5, Gothadi Marga Khairani Rupande. Email is lamsal gnbs143 s143@gmail.com. So that is the one advertisement that I designed, especially it is in teaching at the school there. So in the same way, students can design a good advertisement of teaching in the school or working in the bank, or that is working in the factory or industry or institution. If you go according to this way, then you can easily prepare, you easily design an advertisement. I hope students will get the concept after watching this video. If you have any confusion about this, then you can comment on this video so that I can address this matter. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe this video. Finally, I like to end the time here. Hope to meet you in your next video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.